If you're constantly heating up your giant oven just to make one small thing, or you're tired of dry toast and sad microwave leftovers, this might become your favorite appliance in your entire kitchen. Because honestly, this completely changed how I make quick meals at home. I'm really not a fan of using my big oven all the time or even my microwave. We're a smaller family and it felt ridiculous heating this huge appliance just to warm up one slice of pizza or make a quick breakfast. So I started looking for something compact that could handle everyday meals better. Then I found the Balmuda steam oven toaster. Friends, the toast alone sold me immediately. I eat this really dry sprouted bread, and somehow this toaster makes it soft, moist, fluffy inside and perfectly crisp outside. That steam feature is honestly the best part of this toaster by far. This toaster oven has 5 cooking modes: sandwich bread mode, artisan bread mode, pizza mode, pastry mode, and oven mode. The magic is the steam technology. You add a tiny amount of water into the top before cooking, and it creates a thin layer of steam that keeps moisture and flavor inside while lightly crisping the outside. It also uses precise temperature regulation with multiple heating zones, so food gets this incredible texture contrast. Crispy outside and warm and fluffy inside, and the compact minimalist design looks so beautiful on the counter without taking over your kitchen. I use this constantly now. Toast, pastries, reheating pizza, leftovers, quick snacks. It's honestly become one of the most used appliances in my house. And I love that I can heat things up instead of using the microwave and ending up with soggy food. Everything just tastes fresher and more bakery quality. And yes, I know this is a little pricier than a standard toaster, but honestly, it feels more like a premium kitchen experience than just a toaster, and you can keep it for literally ever. I've had mine for 3 years now. If you care about texture, flavor, aesthetics, or making everyday meals feel more enjoyable, you'll absolutely notice the difference. And because it replaces so many quick oven uses for me, I actually use it daily. If you love cozy toast breakfast, crispy pizza, warm pastries, or just want your food to taste noticeably better without heating a giant oven and heating up the house, I definitely recommend checking this out.